What if I told you that wild birds, yes, birds, might actually have friends? Not just flockmates, not just allies, but something that looks suspiciously like friendship? Scientists have just uncovered mind-blowing behavior in a stunning species known as the superb starling, and it's shaking up what we thought we knew about animal relationships. Meet the superb starling. These birds live in flocks of up to 60 in the savannas of eastern Africa. They don't just hang out together, they help each other, bring food, defend nests, raise chicks that aren't even theirs, but here's the twist. They don't only help family, they help unrelated members of the flock, just like friends would, and they even take turns doing it. After 20 years of observations, yes, 2 decades of data, researchers led by Alexis Earle at Cornell University found compelling evidence of reciprocal helping among unrelated superb starlings. Let's break that down. You help me raise my young this season, and next season, I've got your back. That's reciprocity. And until now, it was one of the few cooperative behaviors mostly attributed to humans. The research team didn't just watch behavior, they also collected DNA to confirm which birds were related. And while most helping happened between kin, a surprising number of these exchanges occurred between immigrants. Birds who joined a new flock and had no relatives there. Instead of being outsiders, these birds formed strong bonds with specific individuals. They chose partners, they traded help, and over time, they stuck together. Sound familiar? According to ornithologist Dustin Rubenstein, this is the first real evidence of reciprocity in a cooperatively breeding bird, and some of the strongest proof yet of friendship-like behavior outside of humans. Now let's be clear, we're not saying they're throwing birthday parties or gossiping about nest drama, but when one bird chooses another, helps it raise its chicks and gets help in return the next season, that's a social bond. A meaningful one. Maybe even a friendship. Other animals show hints of this too. Male dolphins team up based on shared skills. Cows have companions they prefer. Vampire bats? They'll share food with specific partners who helped them before. Even rooks, a kind of crow, have been seen bonding in non-familial ways. But this study dives deep into the why behind bird cooperation. Some birds could have stuck with family for support, but chose unrelated partners. They swapped roles across breeding seasons. Helper one year, parent the next. Not random, not obligation, connection. So, what does this mean? It tells us that birds, like us, form relationships that go beyond survival. These starlings don't just need helpers, they choose who they want by their side, and those choices, they stick. Could this be the bird world's version of friendship? Rubenstein says yes, at least something like it. And the end, whether it's us or the birds above, it seems that cooperation, trust, and maybe even friendship might just be a universal language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to celebrate this dazzling breakthrough in animal behavior. LG News.